Sorkar Jylla kalayok Pdiang ya Kyrwoh na kinhun king atiar New Trap National Liberation Council hinin kesngi na kabentaban pelong ya Jing ya Kren Iasuk baklembo kendon. Menteri katanat ki kampo yang jog Jylla iba ala kemen rembu ilaong baka Sorkar kalayok jengtip baka Seng Hnlc ka angnuat ban poino sya Jing ya Kren Iasuk bat kadang wat ya uksyang na kabenta kani Jing Iasuk. Ulaong bakani Jing Kren bentung yok siang kala sedang. Hakawai pat kaliang Menteri Sorkar uba bantai dor lingdo uba deiru udukhat barim kani kenhun ulaong baka Sorkar bat kenhun lekno ki dei ban kia Halor kani Jing Kren Iasuk ban pentikna bakani kamkan poisha kathong.
This is every government, every citizen of the state. They want peace and tranquility, progress and development within the state. So we have seen that once we go two steps, there is always one step back because of this misunderstanding. So this is a big boast to the government. Moreover, it will give us the confidence that nothing is impossible. It is only the open mind should be there.
This is a good step. It shows that they want to see the peace and harmony in our state, and the people of the state also, they want to see that. This is very serious, and we should take this forward and to see the light of the day for the Hnlc to come and negotiate, to come and live with the society